Hi friends, welcome to Science Time. Today we will be learning how to make a lava lamp. First, you will need a big vase or mason jar halfway filled with water. You will also need some olive oil or vegetable oil, Alka-Seltzer or antacid, and food coloring. I'm going to choose green. You will also need some sort of stirring device. I'm going to be using a popsicle stick. Alright, we're going to start off by putting in some food coloring. If you have my type, which is a gooey substance, you can dip your spoon or your popsicle stick in and just stir into the water. If not, you can put a couple droplets in the water until you get your desired color. I like my color to be very, very deep. Once you've reached your desired color, you can go ahead and stop stirring and put both the popsicle stick and the food coloring aside. Next, go ahead and grab that oil and pour in about halfway through. You're going to see that the mixture is going to start settling. You'll see the oil on the top and the green water on the bottom. Once that's completely settled, go ahead and break your Alka-Seltzer tablet into 4 pieces. I'm going to use 2 tablets. Once you have them like so, go ahead and start dropping them into the water. Almost immediately, the Alka-Seltzer starts fizzing the water, which makes the oil and the water mix, creating that lava lamp look. Let's take a closer look at the mixture. If you're wondering why the oil and the water separate, it's because of the different densities of the two. As you see here, the lava lamp is in full effect. So cool, right? I had a blast making my lava lamp with you guys today, and I hope you had a blast too. See you guys next time!